Hey guys, let's make a Pinterest inspired wall. So the first thing I did was to collect all the pictures of Pinterest and download them, and later I got them printed from a local Xerox printing store, and I chose the one with matte finish as the glossy one would reflect a lot of light. Later that night I got home and started cutting the pictures as precisely as possible. Note that this is a very long process but worth it. I got around 60 pictures of 4 by 6 inches to cover the desired wall, so that it was 30 sheets as 2 pictures were printed per sheet. Later on, I went with a double-sided tape and stuck it on one side of each photo and then pasted it on the wall. You can also get these aesthetic sort of pictures from Amazon. It comes in a pack of 50 with a color theme. I wanted to create a vision board for myself and wanted it to be more personalized and give it my own touch to it. So I went in with my own choices and the pictures that I wanted for my vision board. You can definitely opt for the Amazon one. It also retails around 500 or 600 depending on what kind of colors you chose. This one costed me 20 rupees per paper, that is 600 rupees for all the sheets that I got, but I was ready to pay that amount because I wanted it to be really special to me and close to me and a personalized one. So you can make your own choice. Make sure if you're using the double-sided tape to just stick it the way you exactly want it to be, because once you pull that out, the wall is going to come out with the tape, and this wall is something that I really didn't like. It was dirty and all those things, so I just had to cover it. So make sure if you're using a double-sided tape that the wall is going to get damaged. For better reference, I also made sure to place all the pictures how I wanted them to be and clicked a picture so I can refer them. And here's the final result. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.